In today's video, I'm going to be going through a list of things I need to replace on my 2006 Chevy Silverado. I'm going to be putting it up for sale. So I need a new battery, I need new cab lights, and I've been getting an error on my oil pressure where it'll go up and down, and it'll chime and say low oil pressure. So I've got an oil pressure sending unit as well as the socket to loosen it and tighten it. Everything here except for the battery will be listed in the description and links in the description as well. Alright, here we are at the battery. I'm going to go ahead and unhook the negative terminal. I'm going to do that because the wrench I have is not insulated, and if I touch the positive to ground, we could have some sparks, but this battery is pretty dead. And of course, we've got some rain. That makes it nice. And there's a brace right here that I need to take loose. And then again, there's a tie down for the battery. I'm going to grab a socket for the tie down and an extension. Be right back. Try a 14mm, see if that'll get us. Try 13. Okay, so it's a 13mm. Alright, I'm going to pull this battery out and grab the other one. Maybe. It's pretty heavy. His handles make it nice. Caught a dragonfly. Alright. Put the battery tie down back in. remove the plug for the positive terminal. Go ahead and start that by hand. And then now I'll go ahead and tighten it. Okay. So now that that's on, we can put the negative terminal back on. Seen some spark, so that's good. I hear the chime inside. Trying to start sideways, and I don't want that. Now with batteries, you don't want to over tighten. The terminals are made of lead, which is a really soft metal, so you could strip it out really easy. That's why when I noticed it was going in at a bit of an angle, I stopped and wanted to get that taken care of. And that is all there is to changing the battery. I'm going to reattach the support here. And again, that was a 10mm. I'm going to try and put this protective cover on if it'll go. Alright, so and I think what may have caused this battery to go bad is I had a heater, the blower motor resistor, go bad, and it was causing some battery issues, some high current draw. So I replaced that. Now the battery's been replaced, and we'll give it a shot. And that's all there is to changing the battery in a 2006 Chevy Silverado. This is an HD 2500 6-liter gas V8.